Welcome back, Terra, Luna, gang, and all my crypto friends. I hope you're doing well. Let me know how your day's going. What are you looking at in crypto at the moment? We can see we've got a bit of a red ocean at the moment. Many coins are getting a pullback in the market as things got slightly euphoric too quickly. Bitcoin just lost that $19,000 level support, so it's getting a bit scary all over again. Even the possibility of a $15,000 Bitcoin is not too far away. So today we're going to check out Terra Luna Classic, guys. We've been getting some things right on this particular coin at the moment, and things have looked really crazy. So let's continue. Let's see what's going on. As you can see, a reflection of the market crash that we have right now, or should we say correction? We don't like to say crash around here. You get told off for things like that. Extreme fear 24, so there is a reflection in the market sentiment as well. But we're going to look at Terra Luna Classic because this is really something that is doing crazy things even during the crypto bear market, despite the negative price momentum of Bitcoin at the moment. So we can see, sorry, just woke up, hence the wet kind of rat look over here. My bad. But we can see we're down 20%. So we were expecting some sort of pullback. We were saying overextended, la-di-da-di-da. And it did happen. So market cap is 2.1 billion right now. The volume is also down, ranked 206. But, zooming out, it's still looking fantastic. So don't worry if you got in at the bottom or if you got in a bit too high. I still think there is a possibility of a bounce here. Looking at the 7-day, yeah, we did come up and we've rolled over. Got a bit of a descending wedge forming on the month. It looks fantastic. Like, your feet are up, you're having fun, you're popping beer, you're having a party, Life is good if you got in basically July, August at the start. Things were looking great. So if you got in then, kudos to you. I didn't, so no kudos to me. But yeah, let's have a look, guys. This is what's going on. We had that broadening ascending channel that we spoke about. This was clearly like really bearish reversal potential, and we lost it. And within that broadening channel, blah, blah, blah. God, I sound like I've been drinking alcohol. I wish I have. We can see we had a bit of a double top formation, right? Double top, as in swing high, swing low. We get the swing high, the swing low. We lost the diagonal neckline. We lost the support, hence why we're seeing continuation to the downside. But downside does also present opportunity. If we look at the 4 hour, for example, look at the 20-day moving average, we're on the brink of retesting that 20-day moving average. The last time we were overextended from the 20-day moving average was over here. Then we came down. We retested the 20 EMA. We bounced back up, right? Overextended, come down, retest 20-day EMA, bounce back up is the ideal scenario. That's what we want to see happen, right? Firstly, before we do actually look at the descending channel, I also want to look at what happened with the swing high to swing low. Swing high to swing low, we came up above the 2.272 fib extension, right? So why is this important? I'm going to show you, because if this is the correction, we look at the 2.272 or the 1.6, it takes us to a price target of 0.00052, even though we're getting this pullback right here in the market. And let's measure the pullbacks. I think it's important that we understand what the pullback is. 25% right there. We will have a little pullback here and there. 28%, so very similar correction. We're trying to retest the... I can't speak this morning. We're trying to retest that 20-day moving average. We're also moving down about 25%. So very similar sort of corrective phase. So you would speculate that maybe we're going to get a bit of a bounce to the upside. Sorry, only when I look at Luna Classic, I obviously cannot handle the amount of eyes that are looking at this project right now. Or coin. You get hurt for saying project as well in crypto, so I won't call it a project. But yeah, let's have a look. This is a nice looking descending channel right here, guys. Let's check it out. That's the way I'm seeing it. Descending wedge, sorry, not channel. Falling wedge. So we've flipped from a broadening ascending channel into a falling wedge. So we've gone from a bearish reversal pattern, this one, into a bullish reversal pattern. So let's flip this away. Let's get rid of that now. It's no longer relevant. We've already seen the structure lost on the price. Now we're trying to hold this falling wedge. This is where there is potentially big gains, right? Because these falling wedge positions are nice. The retailers get scared who bought at the top over at 0.00044. They just end up selling, right? So now we're anticipating another 25% pump to the upside. Look, the technical target takes you straight back to the resistance. And obviously the bearish scenario is that we lose the support. If If we were to lose support, I think the trajectory takes us back down to about the 0.003, which is probably, in my opinion, not financial advice, another DCA opportunity. Lose that support, you come down to the 0.00029. So on the hour, it's not looking too bad. Let's check out the Bollinger Bands on all time frames. We're at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, which is typically good. You see, you lose that structure on the BB, you bounce back up. If we go to the 4 hour on the BB, we're just sitting in the middle at the 20-day EMA. So I imagine we're close to the top on the daily still. Pretty close to the top, exactly. We didn't retest that daily 20-day moving average for a while. So that's probably the only bearish thing, or the thing that I'm worried about, is actually retesting the 20-day moving average. And also the macro bearish divergence, which is quite obvious, actually. If we look here, and here on the RSI, you've got that slight bearish divergence. It's not too much. But yeah, it's just a bit of speculation here, guys, on Terra Luna Classic. We do have that juicy looking falling wedge, but on the other hand, we've still got to retest the 20-day moving average on the daily time frame. We're still overextended on the Bollinger Band on that daily time frame as well. So I do hope you appreciate these videos. I know you guys are awesome. I love that you engage and comment and let me know what you think all the time. So what do you think is going to happen for Bitcoin in the rest of September? We know that Septembers are usually really crap for crypto, and we're already starting to see that now. However, a trilogy of October, November, December is usually really, really good for crypto, so we might actually see some crazy pumps. Maybe now is where you want to start sort of dollar cost averaging. That's what I'm looking to do, but I don't think we've found the bottom yet for Bitcoin, to be honest. What am I doing? Oh yeah. So let's just quickly look at Bitcoin before we head off and on to pastures new and say goodbye for now and all that emotional stuff. So where are we? Bitcoin, 18.7k. Woohoo! We're in that fearful territory. Look at that. We lost this symmetrical triangle here. Wrong chart. I need my support levels. There we go. So it looks like we are headed, unfortunately. Oh, this is a key level of support right here, to be honest. Look at that. Right here, that wick, 30th of June, is really acting as a key level of support, as we can see. So again, I don't have a crystal ball. I'm not going to pretend that I know. I'm not Crypto. I'm not Carl the Moon. I'm not trying to make money on your liquidations, right? I don't care what you put in. I'm never going to have a link saying you go to this exchange and trade this, because I do not want to make commission on sensationalist moves, right? And that's the truth. Screw that. I am not up for that. That is just immoral, in my opinion. So we could move up to 20k if we get the bounce off of this 18.6, but we could still lose this support and come back down to 17.6. So make your own decisions. I'm not making them for you. I'm just putting the information out there. You can make your own decision. In my opinion, I think it looks nice for a cheeky little DCA, because we're oversold on the RSI. Yeah, maybe I did just give some advice. That's not financial advice, by the way, guys. Anyway, you lovely people, you subscribe. See you soon. Bye for now.